turnout in West Bengal, where voting has been held in 9 constituencies. More than 44% have cast their vote by as early as 11 a.m. The going seems to be good. Polling was peaceful and incident-free. Surprisingly, Indrajit is joining us now. Indrajit, this particular campaign, this phase has seen a very extremely vitriolic, ugly fight between Mamata Banerjee and Narendra Modi, and the whole fracas over the butcher of Gujarat comment.
Well, that's right. Run up to this phase, the third phase of West Bengal, Lok Sabha polls has really seen ugly war of words between BJP's prime ministerial nominee Narendra Modi, who came down here to campaign for Bappi Lahiri, who is having a very interesting fight in Srirampur, mind you, challenging Trinamool heavyweight Kalyan Banerjee. Also, BJP seems to be a factor in several of the seats that are going to polls. Remember, 9 seats are in the fray. We are coming to you from Howrah right now, which has already seen around 40% polling till 11 o'clock. And overall polling percentage till 11 is around 45% in the 9 seats. BJP is going to be a factor in Howrah because there is a huge non-Bengali population which the BJP is trying to cater to. Similarly, in Hooghly as well, there is Chandan Mitra, who is the BJP contestant there. So the BJP is vying for some vote share, increase of vote share in these seats, as well as trying to, ride through the Modi wave, if at all, along with the Bappi Lahiri's popularity as far as Srirampur is concerned. The Trinamool is obviously going to face a tough challenge because for the first time, it's going to be a 4-pronged fight between the left, the Trinamool, the Congress, and a rising BJP in West Bengal.